Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative, Curious, Learning, and Living. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, and if you are new here, welcome. I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have an 8-year-old, a 6-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 5-month-old. When I filmed this, he was actually 4 months old. I filmed this back in July, and I'm finally sharing it. This is also a collab with Sunday Dawn over at her channel, The Helpful Home. This is the Tiny Tidy Tuesday playlist and collab. Every Tuesday, a bunch of creators get together and share tiny tidies around their home, cleaning motivation. Sometimes the cleaning motivation turns into bigger projects. That was for me this time around. So this unit stores my scrapbook albums. I am a scrapbooker, card maker, and so it stores that. It is in one of my kiddos' rooms right now because it is the only place when we set up a different setup in our living room. But we recently moved my boys back into the same room and gave my daughter her own room again. So we decided to change this Kallax unit into a Lego storage area and toy storage for my boys. So I'm decluttering this, giving the scrapbook albums a new home, and a lot of the decor you're going to see in here was actually put in here because over Christmas I was pregnant with my 4th baby, the little guy hanging out in the baby carrier, and I was exhausted and tired and I did not want to pull out all my Christmas bins, so I just threw it in here. And sometimes that happens. Things don't get put back in the right spot and they pile up in the wrong places, but I'm tackling it now, giving them new homes, getting them in the right spot, and I was able to declutter a few pieces as well. You're going to see at the end that everything is on my table or piled in a laundry basket, and I'm just like, I don't know where I'm going to put this all. But I did it off camera because it was just too chaotic to do it on camera and pull out all the bins and have everything out with the kids. But I do get it all put away and organized, and I can tell you that my decor has never been as organized as it has before. So that is super, super awesome. And now this Kallax unit has a new space as well, and as you can see, my son here is helping me get it done so that I can stay here with the baby and hopefully get him to sleep. So I'm going to put on some music and I will talk to you in a little bit. So I have these things at the top still, which I will take down when I do not have a baby on me. And then I have these pieces up here. These are more breakable pieces, which I need to find spots for safely. But everything else is out of here. Of course, it still needs to be reorganized. Oh, and then there's still this one. I need to go into here. But yeah, that will go stay in here in a different spot. But yeah, all of these are empty and I need to organize the stuff. It's just in the laundry baskets. These are candles and some more decor, which I'm going to leave in here for now, just so my house is not super chaotic. And then here's some more like candles and stuff in here. And then napkins, which I will go through and put in a different spot probably. But yes, we are making progress slowly. And now I need to go show you the chaos on the table. And I have no idea where I'm going to put stuff. Okay, so this is my table with all of the decor and the scrapbooks. And I don't know what I'm going to do. And I'm crazy. But we like to decorate. And we like to scrapbook and be creative and decorate the house for all the occasions.
This is totally messy.
Did she get into the apples?
Probably not. Oh. I think I did see her touch it a little.
So, and then there's another laundry basket too. And my floor's a mess. Well, we do this progress because mom life. You turn around for 1 second and it's crazy again. Right, Riley?
Well, yes.
Avery makes it crazy, mostly.
She always messes things around.
Mm-hmm. Okay. That is all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more cleaning motivation, homeschool, home decor, and more. And don't forget to check out that playlist down below for more tiny tidies from more great creators. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.